Hello and welcome. Today I show you a toolkit, toolset, precision screwdriver toolset from Lidl. This has a few basic shapes, nothing fancy, just flathead, Phillips head, Torx and a few sockets. And yeah, I'm trying to use a needle nose plier to open this thing because I think I have too many needle nose pliers now. Before I had none, now I have like 4 or 5. Yeah, I'm glad we're past that, almost. Yeah, using the needle nose pliers to remove this cable tie. Okay, yeah, so this toolbox has a locking thing, so that's nice. You can't lose any bits from here, which are pretty easy to lose. Yeah, they are metallic, but the question is if they are magnetic. This is the most important thing. And I'm pretty sure I didn't actually check this now that I remember. And this has a nice way to open and close. The question is, are they magnetic? So I like that. I like when the screwdrivers have this thing at the edge. So yeah. This is pretty good. It's a bit difficult to insert it. Oh, it has a kind of an extension. Oh, interesting. So in hard to reach places, yeah, I pulled that thing and you can even take the whole thing out, but it's like a quick extension. It's still a bit thicker at the edge there, so it might not fit most of the places where you might have a screw that is really deep and you need just a simple screwdriver. This would not work there. But for most of the things, this is pretty useful actually. Yeah, I can even insert a bit like this, but it doesn't really hold well there. Still, it's very interesting for a small precision screwdriver kit. That's pretty interesting. Also, they're color coded, easy to see which type of screwdriver bit set you want to use. And the most interesting part about this tool set is this flexible thing. I don't know exactly how to call it. It's a flexible driver and you really can use this in hard to reach places. That doesn't really come often with the precision screwdrivers. This has mostly small bits, but you can use it with other bits also, a bit larger. Why not? But it's this is a specific size, so it would not work with just the regular full-size screwdriver bit sets, or yeah, you see they're a bit thinner. Also a socket. Yeah, why not have a socket for this? I mean, I would have liked it if there were a little bit bigger sockets. 11 to 13 would have been great for this, but okay, the sockets are optional. I mean, it's a nice extra to have there. Usually in these tool sets you just get a few Phillips head, Torx, a few. It would have been nice if it had a few of the security bits, those with the 2 prongs or 3-star. I'm not sure exactly how they're all called. They have weird shapes, so you cannot open them. I have a set like that, but it's yeah, those are specialized, I guess. So if you want to get a security bit set, I'll put a link in the description. Also, I'll put links in the description with just regular precision screwdriver sets. But the security bit set is could be sometimes more useful. I have both anyway, so yeah, this is a bit strange here. Those wires come out of it, so it doesn't look like it's magnetic actually. I forgot to try it when I was, actually I could try it right now. Okay, I just tried it and there is good news. First, they use friction to insert the bit into the screwdriver, not magnet. But once I put it on a hard drive magnet, any magnet, the screwdriver becomes magnetic and it picks up any screws. So this is perfect. So they can easily become magnetic themselves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.